everyone, it's Sarah, and today I am here with another video, and as you guys would have probably noticed if you've watched all of my videos, it's more obvious in some of my videos than others, but I have been wearing makeup recently in my videos. I've been doing this for a couple of reasons. Firstly, because in a lot of my videos, I spend a lot of time being pretty far away from the camera, and I feel like you can't see my face very well if I'm not wearing makeup. Secondly, it's just to cover up some minor flaws in my face because I kind of have acne, and I just, of course, have under eye bags too. And also, just because I do kind of want to practice with makeup because I know I'm not that good at makeup, but I feel like it would be cool to be good at makeup, and I did just want to make a video showing you guys how I put on makeup in my videos because a lot of people I know think that when people wear makeup, it's like dishonest or whatever. And honesty is just something that's very important to me, so I wouldn't want any of you to feel like I'm lying to you. So now you can see exactly how I put on makeup. And I'm probably not going to do it as well as I normally do because since I'm just using the camera as a mirror, it's not going to be the best lit. So the first thing I'll do is I'll just take some CC cream and put it on like this area of my face and just wherever I feel like there are flaws. I just like tapping it in. And I'll also put some on my nose because just beside my nose because I have acne there. And then I'll also try to like blend it that way a tiny bit because I feel like sometimes it can look a tiny bit weird if I don't, because there'll just be a stark contrast between what is the CC cream and then just what is my face. I feel like I can barely see what I'm doing. I'm trying to get closer. I'm sorry, I'm clearly not a makeup YouTuber, and it would be a lot better if I wasn't doing this in the splits, but I like doing stuff in the splits on this channel. And I mean, it doesn't. Also, sometimes when I'm trying to blend it in, I'll like doing my face like this because then it just kind of elongates this part of my face, so then I think it's easier to blend the makeup in. But that's why I do that. And you know, I'm just gonna call that good for that part. And then I'll also do some on my chin. And then do kind of the opposite where I do this. Just elongate the chin part. And I think that's pretty good. And then, of course, the last place just be under my eyes. I'm so much better at doing this when I feel like I can really see what I'm doing. You know, I kind of want to. No, that just makes it more far away. I thought maybe having the angle would make it easier, but it does not. I probably should use a brush for this, but I just don't. Okay, I mean, I can't see anything wrong with it right now because I can't really see it. I don't know, I feel like it looks bad, but I can't really see it well enough to know what to do. And then after that, the next thing I'll do is try to contour my nose. So also, yes, I contour my nose with an eyebrow pencil. I know it's dumb, but it's just how I like to do it. And also contouring my nose is kind of hard because I have this little bump right here, which, you know, I don't feel like it's the most visible. At some angles it is, some angles it's really not, but it does make just contouring really hard. Then I'll also contour by doing this. And just one thing that makes doing it like right now hard is that I can't really see it. And I feel like it looks a lot different at a lot of different angles, and yeah, I can't really see this, but I can tell that I messed up on the contour. Whatever, I'll just blend it in though. Normally I'd probably take it off and try again, but I don't have makeup remover with me right now. And I do my videos in one take. And also, I'm sorry this video is so late. It's because, so you know, firstly I had school, but then when I came home from school, my sister wanted to take a shower, which, you know, is fine and stuff, but since I wanted to do this video and my makeup was in the bathroom she was taking a shower in, I couldn't. And also, if I want to do any other video, I still want to put on makeup, so yeah. And then also, one thing about the contour is a lot of times when I'm just looking on the straight down angle, it looks fine, but then if I tilt my head a bit, I'll realize it looks weird. But I feel like I can't really even get close enough to see if it looks weird or not, so I kind of just want to say it's fine, but I also know that you guys watching this, you're not going to be as far away as I am, so you all can probably see a million flaws in the contour and just think I'm the dumbest person in the world, but I really just can't see them because firstly, this isn't good lighting since I'm doing this in my room, and secondly, I'm far away, so it's like I can see it enough to know it's bad, but not really enough to know what to do. And then for the next thing, I just have this palette. This is going to be like the last thing I'm doing with my fingers, but I'll put some highlighter on the center of my nose and like always put on way too much, so I have to like really tap it in and stuff. But then, you know, putting on too much is okay because I'll just put it back on my finger and then put it right in here. And then maybe if I go further away, there'd be less shadows. But yeah, I can't see. I'm sorry the view is so bad. Okay. And now I'm done doing stuff with my fingers, and I'm going to do stuff with an actual brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this brush, and I'll take a blush color actually, then just put it on my eyes. I feel like you can't really see that I have blush on it, and then you can't really see it in this lighting at all, but a lot of the times I feel like it just makes my eyes just look bigger and better, and I really like it. But I'm sorry, this is bad lighting. Okay, I feel like you can kind of see it, but it doesn't look good right now. I'm sad. But, you know, whatever. I'll just decide that's enough because it kind of looks like enough. And go to the other side. Oh yeah, also just another A&P Extras thing is that when I'm doing stuff on this side, I'll use my right hand. When I'm doing stuff on this side, I use my left hand. I think it would just be so weird to like cross over like that, so I don't know how the non-A&P Extras people do it. It just seems so hard. And then just one thing I don't like about makeup is I feel like you can never see what you're doing. But you know, I want to see what I'm doing. But if you can never really see what you're doing too much. And I just find that to be kind of frustrating. And then the next thing that I will do is, I'm pretty sure it was this brush. How do I not remember which brush it was? You know, I am sorry, this video is so not best, but I think that it was this brush. Because I used to do this with my fingers, but then I realized a brush would be much better. And then I tried it with a brush, and yes, it was much better. I will take some highlighter and then just put it in the inner corner of my eye. I like this brush because it's kind of slanted. Okay, yeah, that looks like enough. Okay. And then earlier, one thing that I forgot is there actually is one last part of this that I do like to do with my fingers. So basically I'll get some of this dark shade on the palette, the contour, and just put some under my eyes and just do that. I think that's probably good enough, but as I've talked about a million times, I can't really see what I'm doing. I think I want to do a tiny bit more. Okay, that's good. And then, wow, this is almost done. So now what I'll do is I'll take some of that same color, and then the first thing I'll do is just put it under my chin like this to try and, like, you know, contour my jawline. But then also something else that I'll do that's kind of weird, and it's supposed to be really subtle. I feel like this can look good, but if you do too much, then it just looks horrible. It's just kind of on the side of my face like this. I saw a YouTuber do it because it can make your face look smaller. It's just all on the side of your face. Put contour on it. Then because it looks weird when it's kind of a line, I'll kind of just brush it like this so that it looks like less of a line and less weird. And I'm having a hard time telling what's actual shadow and what I put on. But you know what, I feel like it looks fine. So then I'll do it on the other side. And then this is really almost done, but the only thing I will do after that is first just put on some mascara. I like to blink it on sometimes, and then sometimes just also wiggle it like that. And then do the other side. Okay. And then the very last thing that I will do is, this is actually not the lip color I have been using, but I like it, so it's going to be my new lip color. I actually just got this yesterday. And I'll put it on my lips. I never tried to do an overline or anything because whenever I try, it just looks really awkward and bad. Okay, I hope that looks good. I will try to move to a place in my room that I hope has some better lighting so that I feel like you guys can really see this, and you know, I hope it looks good. But yeah, this is my makeup. I hope you like it.